Removal of BMW E46 rear door main trim panel. Step 1. Uncover the T-20 Torx screws. Before removal. During removal. After removal. Before removal. During removal. After removal. Before removal. During removal. After removal. Step 2. Remove the T-20 Torx screws. Step 3. Pull the main trim panel away. Step 4. Free the main trim panel. Our company's name is OCLS, an acronym for Old Car Life Extension Systems. We sell high-quality, used, OEM replacement BMW parts on eBay. The link in the description below lists parts that might be damaged or missing during the procedure just described.